Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Social. This podcast is to help you grow your podcasting channel, your YouTube channel, or any other channel that you may have. And we give you tips and tricks on what to do and how to grow them and how to gain subscribers for your specific niche or talent. Hey guys, in today's podcast, we're going to talk about Instagram and how you can improve it. So stay tuned, guys. In today's podcast, we want to talk about how you can improve your Instagram and how to get people that if you have like a business um, or a store or anything like that, how you can improve it and how you can get people if you want to get more people's attention. All you have to do is just go in the DMs. That's like the main thing that you want to do is go in the DMs, get people's attention, get their like what you can do for you to help them gain improve their business, and in return you gain traffic from their Instagram as well, saying the people on their Instagram is gonna say, hey, we'll check this guy out because he put more traffic on our channel and everything like that. So um yeah, so number one, you want to post content daily. Number two, well, number one, you want to post content daily, like every, whatever your Instagram feed says, like if it's 6 o'clock, post at 6, or, maybe, 30 minutes before that time, so you can gain more traffic on your channel. And, number two is to, use, ads, whether it be Facebook or Instagram or Twitter ads or even ads on YouTube. Use any of those to gain traction, drive traffic to your website or to your store or to your online store or to anything that is linked to you on your website, or whether it be a podcast, it'd be a store, it'd be a e-marketing store or e-commerce or whatever the case is. Just make sure that you link it to your website or your podcast. That way, when they click the link or they check it out, it'll gain more traffic and more popularity to you. Now, the second thing is to just commit, whether it be the what do they call it now, revenue. You want to gain as much revenue and much popularity as you can on the channel, whether it be on YouTube, because there's a lot of big YouTubers that made the first video and it's gained a lot of traction over the last couple of years and everything like that. So just like if you're doing YouTube and you put out that first video, just give it like maybe a couple of days and don't expect to get the first set of views like in the first 30 seconds, because it's not gonna work like that. You gotta give it like maybe probably 2 months or something like that if it's like very very popular and you did it correctly and you um did the audio right and did the video right and knew what you wanted to talk about, didn't stutter or try to stay on topic, and put in visual cues of like saying, hey, there should be a link up in the right hand corner on the top of my YouTube. Make sure to go and click that link and go to my Instagram, and I'll say, well, hey, he told us to go and do that. We'll go and do that and see what happens from there. But yeah, I just want to give you guys those two tips for using ads on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, to gain traffic and popularity to your website, podcast, or anything else that you guys have potentially in your future. And we just wanted to thank you guys for listening, and we would see you guys on the next episode. Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Daily Social. Make sure to subscribe to the Daily Social on Apple Podcasts or wherever our podcast is available. Thanks, guys.